Many factors can affect your Audi e-tron's available range. Understanding them can improve your driving experience. First, you should always keep an eye on your vehicle's state of charge, or SOC. A higher SOC means more available energy for an extended driving range. Exterior temperature plays a role. In extremely cold conditions, your battery may temporarily restrict the usage of full power, reducing range. As the battery warms up, energy and range are recovered. Hot or cold temperatures can also influence energy consumption for features like climate control, affecting your Audi's range. Driving patterns and your performance behind the wheel make a difference as well. Hilly, curvy, or urban routes and aggressive or high-speed driving may reduce range, while smooth driving, steady speeds, and fewer turns, especially around 50 miles per hour, can boost it. Your Audi's status, whether you're transporting a heavy load, towing a trailer, or carrying items on your crossbar, may also factor in. Yes, even something like an open window or low tire pressure can affect vehicle range. Fortunately, the range gauge on your Audi e-tron can help you stay on top of it all, with virtual insights into your vehicle's range, providing continuous updates on your vehicle's state of charge, available energy, responses to changes in temperature, and historical energy consumption. The range gauge offers up valuable, real-time estimates to let you know how far you can drive. Additionally, when you activate route guidance, the gauge predicts energy consumption based on trip distance and terrain, and adjusts the range accordingly. Keep in mind, even with a fully charged battery, these factors may prompt your range gauge to show a different value than the EPA estimated range. Optimize your drive and enjoy the journey in your Audi e-tron.